Summertime, and I know you're getting ready for vacation, probably, but have you thought about the house and what needs to be done there? Charlotte here, Peaceful Apple Valley, the Volsch team, talking to you about preparing your house during the summertime for efficiency. So the tip for today is be sure to caulk around your doors, your windows, your protrusions on the roof, and your water faucet or electrical protrusions on the sides, the front, and the back. That keeps air conditioning efficiency top notch to you, not to the outdoors. If you're looking for tips on DIY, an installation of a door, click above to receive the link to that video. And if you would like notifications of upcoming tips, ring the bell and click below to receive notifications.